How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1965 Oldsmobile 442. This is a true 442, done in its factory black with white interior. Very, very nice paint. It is older paint on the car, but it is slick, nice. Car's real straight and flat. All the chrome on the car is real nice. The bumpers appear to have been re-chromed at one point. All the grille and everything's the original in excellent condition. You can see how straight, flat the car is down the sides. All the side moldings are in excellent condition. All the glass is real nice in the car. Got a brand new set of Rev Classics on it. We also have the factory wire wheel and bias ply tires. We got the spinner cap. So all the chrome on the back of the car is real nice. One taillight lens is a little faded from the sun. All the panel fitment, everything on this car is very nice. It's a rock solid California car. It's built in Fremont, California. It's all original panel. This car is super clean. It's got 400 in it. It's 345 horse, 4-barrel. It's got factory AC, power brakes, power steering. It's all detailed, very nice under the hood. All the jams are real nice in the car. The interior's all been replaced with original equipment. The original dash, all in very good condition. Headliner's nice and tight. I tell you, black and white combination is just very, very cool. Factory bucket seats. They did upgrade the front with some seat belts. 65, they didn't come with seat belts. This car's got a lot of cool options. It's got front rear sway bars, box control arms in the rear. Car shows just over 60,000 miles. It's supposed to be the actual miles in the car. Thing fires right up. Got dual exhaust with Flowmasters all the way out the back, stock location. It's got the hydromatic, automatic trans. Just got a good sound to it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, and you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. That's a good looking car right there. Have a great day, folks.